Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to get MERCH Arena promo code very easily, right? So there's a various way you can just get it, and of course you need to try once again and again. Just go to Google, look for MERCH Arena promo code and you will get the various website here. Let's say that this website, so make sure you just go according to the date. So this is for the September, and while I'm making this video, today is 3rd September, right? So once I go here, you can see that all this stuff. So here you can see these are the active Merge Arena promo code, and this one is a new. So make sure you try this up, and Merge 3 years, this works 100% of the time. So make sure you use it, and they have given you the steps, right? But yeah, this is very important. Just go and try it out. Same way, just go to the different website again and look for their different promo codes here, right? So it's become really easy. Here are the promo codes, right? Because this is a different regarding different game here, but you can look for it in a different website, and most of the time it just works. I hope you found this video very useful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.